We take you to the Hotel Martinet in Brooklyn, where Bobby Millett and his orchestra are offering a program of dance music.
Let's go.
Get busy.
Let's go.
Hey!
Let's go.
Get busy. Hit me.
I like the way you walk, I like the way you talk, I like the way you move your hips, and you know that I can't resist. You hit me with those eyes, you're a devil in disguise. Put me in ecstasy, and you know damn well what you're doing to me. Can someone put me at ease? You're just a tease. I don't know what to do, won't you help me please? Oh, 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 what you doing now? You got me so confused, you drive me mad somehow. Oh, 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 you got me hypnotized. Hit me one more time, 'cause I can't do without. Whoa, whoa.
Come on.
You keep messing with me, I see things no one can see. Your eyes full of promises, you know that I can't resist. You're inside my head, why don't we make love instead? You drive me mad, I love hate it when you act like that. Come fill my fantasy, you're just a tease. I don't know what to do, won't you help me?